want to learn what my wife bought from Sephora.
Why don't you open it up and try to guess what each product is?
Okay, so actually I'm going to start with the easy one. This is face cream for me. Ultra Repair Cream with oatmeal. So this is like you shower and it's face cream and breakfast all in one. The package changed so I didn't recognize it, but this is like the top cream that you can get. And I almost bought the Try Me one. I'll try and open this. It looks like cream. They all look the same. And my wife needs it. She's eating chocolate because it's that time of the month. Almost. Where they need chocolate. Chocolat. Okay, so that's Ultra Repair Cream. How much is this? Like $80. Okay, now we have this thing. It's made by Huda Beauty. There's Huda Beauty, there's Kangaroo Beauty, there's like Rascal Beauty. There's no creativity to these names. Clearly this is lipstick because there's a lip on here. I don't know if this is like trying to be inappropriate and suggestive.
No, why don't you guess the price?
And I distinctly remember seeing on the billboard at the Sephora there's a style of lips that's like jelly, like you were a pig eating a jelly donut and didn't wipe your mouth, and the lipstick's supposed to make you look like
I think you need to say
your lips still have jelly on them.
I think you're trying to say fish lips.
Yeah, no, it was worse than fish lips. Fish lips are just ugly, but this is ugly and it looks like you got a big jelly stain on your face.
All right, moving on.
So what is this? It's lipstick. Oh, it says lipstick right on it. I didn't even need to know that. Okay, what's next? The brightening serum. So this is if you've got little like brown poo stains on your face.
No!
No? What?
Who has poo stains on their face?
I don't know. A brightening and firming serum that targets the appearance of hyperpigmentation.
Guess
with
the price.
$110. It's
you know?
Japanese. Anything Japanese from Sephora.
Close enough, it's 120.
120. I was gonna say 120 actually, but if irritation occurs, discontinue use. I'm already irritated just looking at it. It seems like Sephora is catering to Japan and Korea now. They got like a whole Korean section.
Because there's a big market.
Yeah,
right
half
now.
the people in the store are Japanese or Korean with their Chanel handbags. Okay, this is Laneige. Laneige, bouncy and firm serum. So the part of the body that's bouncy and firm is. I didn't know I didn't know you could use a serum for that.
This is for your face. I guess the price.
$90.
You're going too high. $61.
$61. Plump, firm, and smooth for your face.
This is all skincare products.
So how you put this on every day?
You have to.
So how long does this last?
I don't know. I haven't tried
A year?
using it. Yeah, right.
So we just decided to buy this because it has them to the store and we bought all these products. Okay, Paula's Choice. Who's Paula?
It's the brand name.
All the people named Paula I've ever seen look fat.
Oh my god, don't say that.
6% mandelic acid and 2% lactic acid exfoliant. Your lactic acid is produced when your muscles have no oxygen. You can get it for free by not eating.
This tiny little thing.
Apply over the face and neck. Do not rinse. At first, use every other day and then up to twice a day. Made by Paula's Choice Limited Liability Corporation, Seattle, Washington. $80.
No.
$40.
$22. It's travel size. That's why it's so cheap.
It's travel size. We don't even know if it works because it doesn't. And then Masque de la Grêle Réducteur de Pores au Super Rocher Volcanique. So it got some volcanic ash in here or something. I'm guessing it's a volcanic ash mask and it's supposed to reduce the size of your pores. For those of you who don't speak à la français, oh, I was right. Superior Volcanic Pore Clay Mask.
How much?
$90.
It's only $20.
I remember reading a poem
$24.50.
and it's free in grade 10. So what does this do?
It's a mask to help kind of like clean up your face and clean your pores and stuff from inside.
Does it work?
Yes.
Okay, how many of these have you actually tried before?
This one I have tried. This one I have tried. This one I have tried, but a different brand. This is my usual stuff. This one is new. This one is new.
Okay, what is this? Another mask? So how many masks do we need?
So you need sometimes a mask, not for daily use, but look at it. See what it says on the mask.
It says sleeping mask. So the way
Yes.
you put a mask when you sleep, and then you put another mask when you
Different
wake up.
masks are meant for they have different purposes.
And my wife's not in the video today because she hasn't she ran out of Sephora products and
Oh, no, you didn't guess the price of the yellow box.
doesn't feel confident in front of the camera.
How much
Well,
is
you
it?
said this one was 20, so I'm gonna say this one's 30 because it says hand meal.
41.
41
All
doll
right, your
hairs.
last product.
Last
this
product.
I've used as well. It's a really good product.
This is $183.
No, it's $108.
Well, that's a lot.
No, it's one.
K18 Biomimetic Hair Science Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. This is because her hair is really frizzy and it looks like the loofah at the bottom of the
My
sink.
hair?
No, just joking.
Say what now?
Uh-oh.
This is not for that. This is for your ends. So it after
If we
shower,
have-
repair your hair.
We just moved to a new house, and if we had a couch, that's where I'd be sleeping tonight.
Why?
Where biotech meets hair care. This leave-in treatment mask. This sounds like some scam they came out with in Silicon Valley. This is to repair hair that got bleach, color, chemical service, and heat in just 4 minutes.
It's really good. This product.
I have something that'll fix it. It's called a straight razor. Just go damn, and that's it. No more hair.
No, this
hair
is for
goes
your
back.
ends.
For your split ends. Oh yeah, you said you had.
Not split ends, not
No.
necessarily. But it helps to repair the hair so they don't dry out, they don't become brittle, they don't become.
Does it work?
It does. That's why I bought the
So-
little one. So that's why I bought the bigger one.
I had to work 3 days straight so we could afford to buy all this stuff.
Thank you.
So that's a Sephora
Moral of the
haul.
story: don't let your wife go to Sephora.
That's correct. Absolutely. Don't take your wife to Sephora.
That's the end of our haul.
Especially at certain times of the month. Uh-oh. And then, maybe we'll put a linky to the products in the comments. If you have any questions, please post a comment.
My wife will respond.
Yeah, my wife will respond.